Hello, Pooja, and this is Radhika Rawat. Hello, guys, this is Radhika Rawat, and you are watching my YouTube channel English with Radhika. So, today here is some special guest, and her name is Pooja Parmar. And yes, we are going to start our normal conversation because it is going to be my first video. Okay, so how are you, Pooja?
Yes, first of all, I would like to thank you, ma'am, for inviting me here. And I'm so delighted to be with you here. And yes, I am fantabulous. Thanks for asking me. What about yourself?
Yeah, I'm just buzzing with activities and I'm buzzing with, energy also. Okay. Every day, just I start my day with full of enthusiasm. I start, my conversations one by one. So this way, actually, my day is passing by. Okay.
Even
So,
I, even the moment I wake up early in the morning, I always very active and very energetic in the morning time, especially.
yes,
So
yes.
I am also start my day with full enthusiasm, heart full of energy and contentment.
Yeah, really, really. And this month, November, actually brought different kind of energy and how to say positivity also. Yes,
Mhm.
we can feel, like energetic and positive environment around us. Yeah.
Exactly. Yes, yes, that's true. Because in November weather is quite pleasant. No,
Yeah.
that much cold, no that much hot. It's like quite pleasant weather, so we feel very happy in this
But
weather.
yes, in North India, actually in Uttarakhand, mornings and evenings are slightly nippy, but afternoon is very moderate. Like no AC and fans are not required. But yes, we
Mhm.
are not wearing, just layers. Okay, so yes, afternoon is very moderate, and we are very
Even
happy.
in Haryana, the weather is same. Even in Haryana, the weather is same in the evening and in the morning. It's quite pleasant. Little bit chilly, not that much, but during daytime, weather is quite moderate. Yeah, it's
Okay,
little bit
okay.
sunny. Yeah.
So, could you share with me, your English journey? When did you start and how did you start? Everything, whatever you know about your journey. So, please share for our audience.
Okay.
And I would like
So,
to
ma'am,
appreciate,
before
yes, your
yeah,
journey.
before I start my journey, I think I should introduce myself first.
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
Yeah. So you already know my name. My name is Pooja, and I am connecting from Haryana. As far as my hobbies are concerned, I love cooking, traveling, playing badminton. In addition to this, I love to do yoga and exercise. Even this is one of my favorite hobby. And if you ask me about my qualification education, so I have done my master's from literature in English. And apart from that, I have done B.Ed as well. So I hold
Mm-hmm.
master and B.Ed degree. And I'm a mother of two kids. And my husband is in army. And there are six members in my family, including me, my kids, my husband, and my in-laws. Yeah, that's pretty much about me. I think that is
Oh,
sufficient enough.
yes, yes, yes. Wow. So, you have done your B.Ed. So, actually, now you have been learning this language. So, who motivated you to learn this language?
Oh, that's a really nice question you have asked me. I would really love to, hold my opinion. I
Yes,
would
yes,
like to
yes.
share that who motivated me first. Ma'am, one day I was scrolling on YouTube, and in the meantime, I stumbled upon a video. That was a video about fully how to become fluent in English. So I watched that video from the start to finish, and that video really profoundly affected me. And the same day, I took a resolution to start my journey as well, because it and one more reason was there to start this journey. Like during my school days, I had a deep fascination about learning English. I wanted to
Yes.
learn, but I was not that much aware. Right, I did not understand the value of time. I did not understand the value of English language. I was really oblivious that how important it is going to be in future time. But when I
Yes.
became a mother and when I started teaching my kids, then I realized that now this is the high time to do something. This is the high time to work on my goal. And from there I started my journey. And you are asking me who motivated me. So I would say that Dehati ma'am was the one who
Oh,
motivated me a
yes, yes.
lot, because after watching her video, everybody knows about her. She is she's one of the renowned YouTuber, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
she
yeah.
motivated me a lot. After watching her video, I realized that, if she can speak, why can't I? So I also started my journey with full, enthusiasm,
Yes.
or with full energy, with full positivity. Yeah.
Okay, so your journey actually has been very
Mm.
interesting. Yes, very fascinating. Okay, so yeah, I would love to tell about myself actually. It is my turn now. So this is Radhika Rawat, and yes, people, you are just watching my YouTube English channel, and my channel name is
Mhm.
English with Radhika Rawat. I'm also mother of two kids, one daughter and one son, and I belong to Uttarakhand. Haridwar. Actually, Haridwar is a very spiritual place. Everyone knows. Every year, throughout the year, actually, many people come here for visiting purpose. Okay, so and it is
Yes, yes.
also, just called Devabhumi. Yeah, Uttarakhand is also known as
Devbhoomi. Okay,
Devabhumi.
okay.
Yes, yes. Okay, so have you ever come here, Pooja, in Uttarakhand?
No, ma'am, I have never been there, but if I got a chance, so definitely I would like to go there.
Yeah, not
But
you,
yeah, I have
actually,
never been
everyone.
there. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, in which places, just you visited means so far?
Okay, so if I talk about places, so I have been to many places so far in my life. Like I have been to Srinagar, Jammu Kashmir,
Yes.
Himachal Pradesh, Mount Abu, Udaipur. Even in
Oh.
2023, I was in Darjeeling in army quarters with my husband.
Mm-hmm.
But last for the 2 years, I have been living here in my in-laws' place. And next year, again, I'm planning to go to Jammu.
Okay, with your husband.
So, yes, yes, I have explored many places, ma'am.
Okay, so apart from this, actually, what will you do whole day? Means you do anything different?
Like, what are you talking about?
I'm
About my
talking about your
activity.
YouTube channels. Yes, yes. Because I just go through, I went through your all videos and I came to know that you are a YouTuber also. Yes?
Okay, okay. Yes, ma'am. Recently, I have started running my YouTube channel because of overcoming the fear of speaking in front of camera. Because initially, when I started speaking, so that time I felt like I'm lacking something, right? And that
Yes,
was
yes.
the fear of facing camera, right? So I thought that why don't I start running my YouTube channel? And because of this, I can continue. I can be consistent with this journey, and every day I'm facing camera, and little by little every day I'm improving my communication skills, not only communication skills but also I'm building up my confidence level just by running my YouTube channel. Because every
Okay.
day there is something in my mind that I have to do something to create my video, I have to prepare something to create my video. So I'm very constant about my English journey, and every day
Mm-hmm.
I'm like uploading my video with
So yes,
something.
I
Yeah,
think by doing this, I think we are enhancing our knowledge also. Yes, people are connecting
exactly.
us on the daily basis, and yeah, the more we learn, so the more we get knowledge. Okay. So yes,
Exactly. Yeah.
my next question is to you now. You have I think 300 subscribers on your channel. Yes, am I right?
380, ma'am. 380. Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, your channel is gaining popularity and as well you. So what do you think? That solo videos are useful or collaboration videos are useful? What is your perspective,
Okay.
on this particular point?
Okay. So, ma'am, I think that from my perspective, as far as I feel that when I make solo video, I feel very comfortable, very confident, right? Because everybody, feels very comfortable and confident with oneself, right? So, and as far as collaboration videos is concerned, so I think if we are little bit unconfident and uncomfortable while making collaboration video with other YouTubers, so I think this is something we need to face, because we need to overcome our fear, right? And only then we can overcome our fear when we face the challenges in our life, when we face the music in our life, right?
Yes, yes.
And I think the things which is uncomfortable for us, we must face that thing. So I think
Yeah.
both are very important. If you are making collaboration video and if you are making solo video, both are very important for you, because you need to not only be comfortable with yourself but also with other person, right? You need to be very
Yes,
comfortable.
yes, yes, yes.
So from my
Definitely
perspective, both are, yeah, we should
important.
both
Both
situation.
are
Yeah.
foremost. Yes, yes, definitely. I think
Exactly.
your point of you is very nice, and I see eye to eye with you.
Mhm.
And yeah, just I created, I'm also a YouTuber, and I just downloaded and uploaded, I think, more than 35 videos. Okay. And
Okay, okay.
but yeah, it is my perspective that many videos I created, with solo,
Mhm.
just alone.
Mhm.
But I think
Mhm.
when we converse with people, when we converse with, just co-learners, so definitely it increase our enthusiasm. And
Mhm.
otherwise sometimes it happens, it is my perspective. Then I started my journey, in between of my journey, so I felt like this, it is not my cup of tea. Okay. And my
Mhm.
enthusiasm many times had fizzled out. Okay.
Oh.
Yes, yes, yes. But now, by talking with everyone, and just making, videos also, I'm feeling right now, yes, I can do this. This is not a big thing.
Mhm.
Okay. But yes, when it comes to talking with publicly, so now I feel that I feel that yes, sometimes
Little
I
bit,
get
yeah.
stuck. Yeah, I get stuck. I get fumble, and my, just I get tongue tied also. That okay, so
Mhm.
these kind of feelings I have. Okay. But yes, now this is my first collaboration video with you. So definitely one by one after another, when I will make, my video, so definitely I will be improved. Yes, this is
Yeah, actually, it is our starting day. So in the starting, nobody is perfect.
no.
Perfection comes with practice only.
Yes, yes,
Nobody
yes,
speaks perfect at the starting days. So
yes,
as
yes.
we practice with it, so we will become confident, comfortable, and we will become more more fluent,
Yes, yes,
right?
yes, yes.
So it's
I'm
all
fe
depend on practice.
on
Yeah.
depend on practice. The more we practice, the more we, just confident. Yes, it is
Yes, yes, yes,
it
yes.
is clear evident. Okay. So yes, my
Mhm.
third question is that now you are uploading videos, as well as, you are taking care of family, your kids, and everything. You're accommodate, on time, in time. So what kind of problems you are facing? What kind of issues you have? Like your husband is in army. Okay. So
Mhm.
definitely in his absence, what do you do? Like
Okay.
you can manage your all the things, like related to your home, related to your kids, you can manage easily, or just it's a very herculean task for you?
Okay. So, ma'am, to be honest, I'm an early bird. You already know that I wake up early in the morning. So, I can easily everything, right? I'm able to manage everything easily because I'm an early bird. So, I try to complete all my household chores, by 9 and by 10 o'clock. After that, because I already know that I have to do something for myself. Because here I am working on my goal, right? It had my dream during my school days. So, I'm working on my goal. And if you have fire to achieve something, right,
Yeah.
so you are able to manage easily, right? So
Yes, I
this
agree.
is the fire I have inside me, that I have to
Yeah.
do something for my for my dream. I have to do something anyhow, at any cost, no matter how many challenges I have to face, no matter how many challenges comes on my way, but I will face all of them easily. So I'm not
Yes, this
facing any kind of challenges. But if you ask me about my English journey, so in English journey, I'm facing a lot of challenges. Like
hmm.
I become very unconfident and uncomfortable while facing camera, while talking to other people. So these kind of challenges I'm going through these days.
Hmm.
Otherwise, if you are talking about my household chores, taking care of family, taking care of kids, so in all these things, I'm not going through any kind of challenges. By the
Yes,
grace of
yes,
God,
so it
everything I'm
means
able to. Yeah.
you are a very enthusiastic person to do, achieve your goal. And yeah, I think you have two sons. Yes.
Yes, yes. I have two
Yes. So do
sons.
you
Both
teach?
of them
Do
go
you
to school.
teach them, or just on their own they study?
No, no, I have to help them to go
Hmm.
through their homework because they are very young now. So they need me. So I have to help them. Yeah.
Yeah, their
Otherwise,
little
it
kids
is very
actually.
difficult. And
Yeah.
It is very difficult sometimes to make them sit at a particular place and go,
Yes.
yeah, make their homework complete. It is very difficult sometimes.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
also face, this problem because my daughter is also little, not little, but yeah, she's not enough mature. So I have to push
Mhm.
my daughter to sit and just, keep learning your practice, keep studying. So yeah, as a mother, I think every women has the same issue with their kids. Yes.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
yeah,
Yes. Yes.
actually, whatever you told about me, your journey, and your family, so really, I'm feeling delightful to hear all this. So if you have question towards me, if you want to ask any question, from me, so you can ask.
Okay. So, ma'am, I have a question for you that, like, when you started your YouTube channel, so for what purpose you started your YouTube channel? Like for improving your communication or for earning purpose?
Not earning purpose, actually, it was not like that. Actually, when I started my journey, I was zero. I started, my journey from the scratch, okay? Because the grammar
Okay.
practice and then speaking practice, I think it is a must, okay? So I was zero,
Mhm.
and I downloaded one application. Here is a Hebrew application, okay? And
Mhm.
just they were providing at that time 24 minutes. Now I think this application is going on or not, I don't know. But yeah, this application was very useful for me because I just used the 24 minutes provided by them, okay? So
Okay.
just
Okay.
yes, so I used to talk with co-learners over the phone, and I try to just be confident in front of them, that yes, yes, I am a confident person and now I know how to speak English. But sometimes it happens with everyone, not me, actually everyone who start their journey with English language. So in middle of the journey, actually they feel low, they feel upset also, many ups and downs, okay? And the same I felt, okay? So after that,
Oh.
yeah, yeah, I just found one North Indian group, and there were so many
Mhm.
co-learners. Actually we just practiced a lot, whole day long. Not every day, because my daughter was here, and she was in seventh standard at that time. Now she's in eighth standard. So it was a very daunting task to me to just
Mhm.
manage both things, to teach my daughter and to learn my English language. But yes, I just continue my practice also, and as well as I just taught my daughter too, okay? But now she is comfortable, she is flexible to with her practice, own practice, like self study,
Mhm.
okay? So yeah, actually it was a very daunting task, but now I have different kind of different kind of like peace and tranquility inside me, that okay, it was Herculean task, but yes, I did
But now
well. I
it
did
has become
well.
easier for you. Yeah.
Now it is not easy for me because it's been only 1.5 years, more than 1.5 years, but I have a
Mhm.
long way. Yes, and how far I can go with this language, actually, I cannot assume it right now.
Yeah, even it's been 1.5 years since I have been learning English. So,
Yes.
and speaking, I have been speaking practice last for the 6 months. Initially,
Okay.
even I felt the same like you felt initial days. Like it was not my cup of tea, but I continued my journey
Yeah.
and I maintained consistency. And now I feel that this is the power of consistency only. Because when we
Yeah.
do something with consistency, so we can achieve whatever we want to achieve in our life. So
And if you
consistency is
are,
very important. Yeah.
yeah, consistency is a key, and as well as if you're a determined person, if you're goal oriented person, so definitely you can achieve your goal, your meaningful goal, okay, in no
Exactly.
time. So yes, it was a very nice conversation with you, Pooja, and you are a nice and a good orator as well as eloquent speaker, okay? And in which locality in you are just belong to, I think, village area, and in which
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah, locality you are living and you are learning this language, so really it is praiseworthy, it is mind blowing, okay? So thank you so much for this meeting, and yes, I will just upload this video, and people will give their view or not, we will see, okay? Because it
Comments.
is my first effort. It is my
No
first
problem,
effort.
ma'am.
So
It
yes,
was
I
quite
just
helpful and quite fruitful
yes,
conversation, and
yes,
I
yes,
really
yes.
enjoyed, ma'am, with you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, dear.
Unconfident and uncomfortable. Still, we did it, ma'am. So I'm so happy. Like, yes,
Yeah,
finally
yeah. No,
we
no.
tried to speak.
Actually,
Yeah.
you were not. I didn't see like you were. Means क्या कहते हैं उसको freaking out. Okay, but yes, I felt myself. Okay, you are my good friend also, and actually, this makes me very comfortable. So thank you so much, Pooja dear, and we will
Okay,
continue our
ma'am.
conversation over the phone. And yes, guys, if you are learning this language and if you have been learning this language, so please don't stop your journey in the middle way. Okay, because when you are consistent and determined to your goal, so you will see very tremendous improvement yourself. So with these words, I just stop this conversation. So thank you so much, Pooja, to join with
Thank you,
me.
ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.